Robosapien Remix is 4 robots in 1. Excited, silly, serious, confused. Clap, shake, tap, and spin. Swap arm launchers and get out of the way. He even repeats what you say.
This is my robot voice.
Remix likes to blast off and get down. He may just be the coolest robot in town. Robosapien Remix by Wowie.
Roll out the fun with my robotic pet, Tumbling Hedgehog. Now's your chance to have a hedgehog of your own and learn about robotics in the process. This adorable robotic pet puts on a show when it hears you clap. Try out different clapping patterns to make it scurry around, tumble, spin, and roll. With 3 fun and entertaining modes, you can change how the hedgehog responds to your commands. In Mode 1, clap to get your hedgehog to roll backwards, fall asleep, and wake up. In Mode 2, your hedgehog will count your claps and tumble as many times as instructed. In Mode 3, your hedgehog needs some encouragement. Give your pet a round of applause to inspire it to roll. Assemble your pet using the 172 pieces and learn about gears, motors, microcontrollers, sound sensors, and more. Follow along with a full-color manual that provides step-by-step building instructions and includes an illustrated comic featuring the adventures of Nuna the Tumbling Hedgehog. Let's get rolling with my robotic pet, Tumbling Hedgehog, from Thames and Kosmos.
What's that smell? Woohoo! It's turbo time!
Control me if you can! I'm TurboBot from Really Rad Robots. Batteries and 40 bits not included.
Expand your world with mBot Ranger, the transformable 3-in-1 robot kit you can build your way. Conquer undiscovered territories with Land Raider. Use the digital controls to avoid obstacles. Go, Land Raider! Turbocharge through any terrain. No turf is tough enough to stand up to Land Raider. The transformable mBot Ranger 3-in-1 robot kit is constructed from interstellar materials so powerful it's out of this world. Build your mBot Ranger in a flash. With a construction time around 20 minutes, you'll be out exploring in no time. Awesome! Transform your Land Raider easily, turning it into the fastest bot around, Dashing Raptor. Watch Dashing Raptor as it chases anything at the speed of light. Dashing Raptor will obey commands, a trusty companion for any adventure. Quickly transform once more to complete the mission with Nervous Bird. Nervous Bird never takes a fall, fiercely balancing itself and standing up to the strongest foes. Excellent! The highly advanced but simple-to-use mBlock programming app engineers your mBot Ranger kit for the most intelligent, high-speed superbot in the universe! With a powerful mainboard that provides 5 onboard sensors and 10 extension ports, mBot Ranger is a perfect tool for teachers. Kick up classroom energy and teach entry-level programming at the same time. Unlock the key to a world of undiscovered territory and feel the power at your fingertips with the transformable mBot Ranger 3-in-1 robot kit. With unimaginable capabilities, mBot Ranger is the perfect companion for at-home play or venturing out anywhere that new treads.